Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us somewhere on the Temu app where you can get free gifts, vouchers, coupon, discounts, deals, you just name it, okay? I know not a lot of us know about this, so I decided to tell us about it, all right? So on the Temu app, click on the U icon and then click on messages and then promotions, and that is it. There you're going to be seeing a variety of deals from Temu. Okay, so we're just going to go through mine and you get to understand what I'm talking about. If you're also in the Temu affiliate program, when you earn money, Temu will also send you messages here in this section. Okay, so this one says extra discount added to item in your cart. Okay, grab it. Let me click on it and see what it is. Okay, so I have something in my cart and they have given me 99% off on this, all right, and is limited, so I can go ahead. Of course, the time is limited for this. I can go ahead and pay for the order, all right. Of course, you should know that before you check out on Temu, you need to meet the minimum other requirements before you check out. Okay, so let's see others. All right, this one says 1 cent items claim before June 10. All right, let me click on it and see what it looks like. All right, so I get to choose 3 items here for 1 cent only. Like, look at these beautiful things, these 2 piece, the bed sheets, toys. And normally what Temu is going to offer to me here is things that I actually search for. Okay, I've always told us the trick. If you want Temu to offer you things you actually want, add those things to your wish list, add it to your cart, search for those things on the app so that the app knows what to offer to you. So yeah, just go ahead. You should know that all these deals, whether it is coupon, free gifts, deals or whatever, or voucher, they come with conditions, okay? Don't forget that part. All right, let's read other deals that are being offered to me. This one is also 1 cent. And what else? Choose my discounts. Here I'm in the affiliate program, so they're showing me a message, okay, that I've earned 16 cents. So just okay, this one says your unclaimed coupon, review now, and then that is it. It's just a lot. Anyway, I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to show us the promotions parts. Okay, this is another message telling me how much I've earned. So I just want to show us this promotion parts in the Temu app. In case we are not aware that we are leaving out deals on Temu, like if you want to get anything on Temu, you want to place an order, don't just start picking things and then you pay and go. Of course, you can do that, you're allowed to. But then just take a little moment and look into these parts. Just like that 1 cent deal is a really, really good one. So imagine you want to order 5 things and they give you, out of that 5, you're giving one thing for 1 cent, and this one doesn't even come with any condition. The only condition is that you have to pay for the order before the limited time, which is very good. It's a good deal. Okay, so just do that before you go on to check out, pay and check out on Temu. You never can tell, you might get a 1 cent deal on your favorite item. All right, anyway, if you want free gifts, maybe you don't want to go through this route and wait for Temu to offer it to you, you can search for the code FRS 127497 in the Temu app. And of course, if you're a new app user, you're going to be offered free gifts. You should know it comes with qualifying orders. Okay, I have other codes for €100 coupon, ACR 609164. And if you want to join the affiliate program, you earn, make sure you have up to 1,000 followers on any of the social media platform. It doesn't have to be all of them, so that when you join, just search for the code SEC 78 278. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the code in case I'm not saying it right on the screen for us to see. Search for it and automatically you're signed up for the Temu affiliate program. Now all you need to do is to share your link, your code to friends and family and people, anyone that places an order or downloads the app with your link. You're going to be getting from coins off of it. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask me in the comment section and let's discuss in the comment section. If you've watched to this point, thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.